from my overview right now, for some reason, I'm seeing Booty and Jocelyn more as the front end, and then Song and I doing mostly back end. But I'm not quite sure. This is just my hypothesis from the beginning, and Minnie will be the project manager. So this is our Trello board. I'll invite you once we tell the guys, I want it, you know what I mean? So we have like the resources, the documentation that I need you to read. Um the like the communication channels we'll use like, Discord server and Zoom. Task types, which is like research, authentication, blah 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 blah. And then um like we these are the tasks that we have like
Hmm.
and um yeah. So I'm excited. So it's gonna
Let's
be,
do that.
I think I'm gonna put a lot of, you know, not that I don't put a lot of, but this one's gonna be like, it's gonna remind me of being back at work a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I'll get to see that side, so bring it on.
Okay. All right, cool. And I have these te January to 2025 of what tests we get done. It's everything's the same, like like what I showed you in the mentee stuff.
For
But
sure. Yeah.
yeah, it'll be fun, and just more people and stuff like that. So
Hmm.
I'll add you, and it'll be fun, and you know, I'll make you cry.
Please. All right. Yeah. Go for it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I gained 5 kilograms over the holidays.
Oh, really? Oh, it's not that bad. Could be worse.
Could be worse, but
Yeah.
okay. So is everything working?
Yes. Yes, it is. Let's see. Let me go ahead and resend it. Yes. Yes, it was.
Did you learn a
But
lot?
I got I got confused. I
Mm,
was like, wait, what am I trying to do? Who am I trying to request and receive
mm.
and what?
So the user ID who is requesting, right?
Hmm.
And the request user ID is who you're requesting from, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, at this point, there's four things I want to do. Um, we basically have to get, so if I'm a user, right? I have to see all the exchange requests that I got, right?
Yeah, the received ones. Hmm.
So how would you let's make that. Is that cool?
Yeah. So if we want to see all the requests that are being received, then we would have to check for the, like you said, the user IDs of all those requests and add them to the person's um, inbox, or I don't know what it is.
Right, so we need to query correctly, right? So the received is the request user ID, right? We need to do a little better of like API design.
Hmm.
So you see how in 122 it just says return received?
Yeah.
You should probably say like um we should probably limit this, right? But I want to know like limit to like 5 or 10. Hmm?
Okay. There we go.
You see it got accepted?
Hmm.
And then can you go back to the received stuff?
Yeah.
And then can you resend?
Hmm. And that should be updated on this side. Yeah, it's changed
But
from a
do we,
pending to accept.
but do you think we need to be seeing, we only need to see the pending request, right? When you're asking for the received, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So when you say received exchange request, we also in the query, I think we should put status, and we only want to see the pending ones.
Let's see.
No, I feel like we can work on the front end tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Like we can actually display these received and stuff like that, and I think that would be kind of fun to do. So
Yeah.
I'm not gonna like leave you. I just want you to review the code, and then we'll work on the other side tomorrow.
Cool. Yeah.
Because I
Sounds
feel
good.
like now we have a flow, like, you know what I mean? We can
Mm-hmm.
make a request, we can get the request, and we can respond to requests, right?
Yes.
Okay, coolio. Alrighty, I'm gonna invite Song and Booty into here. Is it
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and and I'm gonna share my screen.
Cool.
Oh, and I'm gonna take a screenshot. One sec.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Boo.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, Song?
Hello.
Oh, I thought I got the voices mixed up. List received.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. What's
All
up?
right.
What's up?
All right. So this is Song, Jocelyn. This is Song, and this is just call this so I cannot pronounce it. I'm sorry. Just call him Booty. The name.
Okay. Nice. Nice to
I'm
meet you guys.
sorry.
Nice
I
to
don't
meet you too.
offend you, but he introduces himself as Booty, so I'm not gonna try to enunciate his name because I might butcher it.
Yeah.
I could try, but
No, Rudy's
How do
fine.
you
Rudy's
say it
fine.
though?
It's Abdurrahman, but
yes.
it's very difficult.
Okay. Yes.
Abdurrahman.
Albadar Med. Uh,
Abdar.
Albert. That's like the most American Albadar. No. Um, okay, so this is Jocelyn. She's like, she's very important to me. She's like the mentee, that started Let Phil, to be honest.
Hmm.
But not to embarrass you or anything. But anyways, he I think she's gonna come onto the project as well. So we'll
That's
have
great.
more. So
Nice.
she's gonna be part of it as well. And she's done React Native with Expo, but not the CLI that we're setting up now. But I told her she can work on front end. Cause in my mind I honestly see like, hey, we're gonna all do everything together. But honestly, like from my overview right now, for some reason, I'm seeing Booty and Jocelyn more as the front end, and then Song and I doing mostly back end. But I'm not quite sure. This is just my hypothesis from the beginning, and Minnie will be the project manager. But no, Song, I think will do both sides, and I think I will do a lot of or maybe you guys can all do front end, and I'll do back end. I'm not quite sure. So, anyways, that's what I see from now. And then I think Booty will do a little bit of design too. But right now we're just setting up the React Native project, and I just wanted to introduce everyone, and I think it'll be fun. And I was telling Jocelyn a little bit about the Let Phil app, how it's gonna be like a community app where maybe we're gonna have the asking questions and stuff like that as well. And I think it'll be pretty cool and useful. And I think it could be a good social networking app with users first in mind as for programmers. Right, Booty?
Yeah. Can I just ask Jocelyn if she has any idea or input that would improve, or you see like a place where there's a weakness, there'll be a problem, a risk on the app?
Mm, Phil did go over the idea of the app website just a minute ago, but
Yeah.
so basically from what I understood is it's going to be like an exchange of like questions and answers where points are also going to be like involved where you'll get like certain amount of points to be able to answer a question or ask a question, right? But
Hmm.
as of right now, no, but I think I'll like think about it and then I'll circle back with you guys. But so far I think it's a good idea, like a good concept just to get everyone in the community like to be more a bit more active and add like essence of like kind of like what Phil earlier said, like of a gaming style type of thing, and it's not just so mundane or so just like simple or bland. So
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Phil, did you mention what's it called, the social aspect of it? Because
Not yet. So
uh,
it's going to be like also like Instagram as well. Like people can just
Mm,
doesn't have. So I'm thinking in my head, like I wish I had this. Hold on. I think like my opinion, like when they first sign into the app, it's gonna be like a form, right? Like a posts. And then there's gonna be like filters, like, hey, can I just look at questions? Can I look at just like, posts, general posts for the day? And then each of those is gonna be able to have comments and replies, right? Like, I think one for the community aspect. Have you guys ever used this app Threads? So the SRC folder is what's gonna hold all our code, right? Here and stuff, but for our code, I think I like bracket spacing. So they want you to not put the spacing in the bracket, but I like the bracket spacing. Is everyone okay with that?
Yeah, that's
Mhm.
fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just change it back right now, but we're gonna have to change it in the ESLint, and I do not like semicolons. Branch. Everyone pull from main. Oh, I gotta give you access. 1 second. I'll just pull. All right, so now it has all the changes and everything. So I think we're started. We're ready to kind of like um make like the folder structure and everything. Is it like Booty wants, right?
Yeah.
Um, so now we did the ESLint Prettier Husky. We did the Babel plugin module resolver. Let's add the clean project. So this is just gonna clean all the build files and everything like that later on. Um, is everyone okay with me just working on main real quick?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
The React Native log is in the Trello.
Oh yeah, not yet. I'll add it to the Trello right now. Good point.
Okay.
I moved it to doing last time. It felt nice.
Let's move it to done. Because you get the party.
Yeah.
Um, we set up the Firebase, but we need to hook it up. We got to do that together too. Song, are you gonna have time if you want a task, or do you just want to meet tomorrow?
Yeah, you can give me a task.
Can you research like the uh the styling templates that you might want to use?
Sure.
And maybe like make another React Native project where you can like, practice them and stuff like that.
Okay.
I think I sent you guys if you guys can build the project, right? I sent you guys the documentation earlier. And I think Song and Jocelyn and Booty, maybe we all have done the random users project together. Can you guys try
Yeah.
to do it native? And I know Jocelyn, you've done it as well. So it would be kind of interesting for you guys to do it, I think. And I sent
Which
over,
random users project?
yeah, in the random users project. It's gonna be in the docs. Wait, where is this? Left fill interns. Thanks for your guys' time. I know it went a little bit over, but I'll talk to you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. Is all cool? All good?
Thank you
Yeah,
so much for your
sounds
time,
All right.
good.
guys.
Sounds good, bro.
All right, later.
Bye.
All right.